We are going to show you how to adjust the brightness of the edge lighting on the HP Envy 6055E printer. This is also applicable on the HP Envy Pro 6400 series printer. So do take note that the printer has already been connected to the network. And for this exercise, we will use the HP Smart app on our Android phone. So let's start up HP Smart. From HP Smart, tap on the printer icon as shown. Scroll and you will see under Preferences there is a Printer Display and Lights. Select that. At this prompt, select OK. You can see that there is a slider bar where you can adjust the brightness level of the indicator lights on the printer. It is now at the brightest. We will slide the bar to the dimmest setting. Apply. And you can see that the printer lights is now dimmer. We will set it back to the brightest. And apply. The printer lights are now at the brightest. So this is how you adjust the display lights and brightness for your HP Envy 6055E or the HP Envy Pro 6400 series printers.